Let n and m be two positive integers such that there are exactly 41 integers greater than 8 to the power m and less than 8 to the power n, which can be expressed as power of 2. Then the smallest possible value of n plus m is what it is given. Let n and m be two positive integers that are such that n and m दो पॉजिटिव ऐसे पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स है such that there are exactly 41 integers greater than 8 to the power m and less than 8 to the power n. तो 8 to the power m n m को क्या लिख सकते हैं 2 to the power 3m, और 8 to the power n को क्या लिख सकते हैं 2 to the power 3n. yes or no? 8 to the
Yes,
power
sir.
m को 2 to the power 3n, 8 to the power n को 2 to the power 3n, राइट. अभी इसके बीच में बोला 41 पीसेस है, मतलब 2 to the power 3m, 2 to the power 3m plus 1, 2 to the power 3m plus 2, हाँ डॉट 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 ऐसे करके कितना है, it will go on till
3m.
huh?
N.
It will go on till 3m to the power 41, 2 to the power 3n, right? 2 to the power 3m, then 2 to the power 3m plus 1, 3m plus 2, 41 items it is given in between, and then comes 3 to the power n. So that means 3 to the power n minus 1 is nothing but 3n minus 1 is what? The previous one. If this is 3nth term, then the previous one is what? 3n minus 1, and that is 3m plus 41. Okay, so 3n minus 3m is equals to 42. So n minus m is equals to what? 14, right? Now you tell me two positive integers, two smallest positive integers जिन लोगों का difference 14 होगा. Can you tell me two positive integers जिन लोगों का minus करके 14 मिलेगा, two smallest?
15 minus 1.
Dipakshi, Bhavna, Ananya, tell me two such values of n and n and m, values of n and m which on subtraction will give me 14.
16 minus 2.
16 minus 2 is not the smallest. 15 minus 1 is the smallest,
15 minus 1 is the smallest.
right?
Second smallest is 16
हाँ
minus
हाँ
2.
हाँ. So n is 15, m is 1. Addition करेंगे क्या मिलेगा? 16. So 16 is the answer. Did you understand?